Hey guys,
it's me Maya Faisal Khan
and it's me Zareen Faisal Khan,
and you're watching Sisters on the Go.
Welcome back to our channel.
So today we are going to be doing Pinterest inspired makeup challenge. I think it's going to be a challenge because
gonna be fun.
Yeah, because we always do makeup अपने हिसाब से, but this time we are going to be recreating a look from Pinterest.
But there will be a twist. Like we're gonna be like blindfolded, and we're gonna
we're just gonna close our eyes, so we're gonna blindfold, and we're gonna just scroll through Pinterest, randomly scroll, and just point out to one inspiration, and we'll have to recreate that one. दोनों को एक जैसे मिलेगा या अपना अपना करेंगे?
अपना अपना करेंगे, obviously.
Okay, so we're gonna do मेरा
we should follow one.
So that we could see किसका अच्छा.
Exactly. एक inspiring is better.
एक? Okay, this.
But who's gonna do? Rock paper scissors होगा, जो हारेगा.
Rock paper scissors.
जो जीतेगा वो will pick. ठीक है?
Okay.
ठीक है. जीतना है मुझे, इंशाल्लाह. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Ooh, 2 points.
2 points हो गया.
अब
इससे लंबी तो ये हो गई थी कि हो तो गए. We got 3 rounds, उसमें तुम 2 points तुम्हारे हो गए.
Okay, सही है. ठीक है.
Dumbo.
अच्छा, मैं पिक करूँगी पहले. लगा?
ये लगा तो है. Ooh,
this is good.
Okay, this is
streetwear makeup. Oh.
No, this is dough makeup.
This is streetwear, ना like.
See this one. Yeah.
मैं दिखा दो एक.
I love this makeup. ये वाली. ये this is my
screenshot और इसको हम follow करते हैं.
Yeah.
This is the streetwear makeup.
This is not streetwear. This is dough makeup.
Couldn't hear streetwear makeup. सही है? Or we're gonna follow this. So let's begin. So we're gonna start and I'm gonna show you the pic again कि ऐसा है.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on the screen as well.
So we're gonna start with the moisturizing.
Zareen, तुम कौन सी use कर रही हो for prep?
I'm using the J-Dot की.
And I'm using simple Vaseline for the prep. Put freckles as well.
I'm gonna make it now.
अच्छा. आज I will be using foundation because it's like a glam kind of makeup, तो मैं use करूँगी. Use मुसरत मिज़बा की foundation. This one. Okay, so we have got 2 foundations. One is Borges की, which is like a full coverage one. Like वो मैं daily हम लोग like daily wear वाली चीज़ में use नहीं करते. Which one? Like this मुसरत मिज़बा की. It's in the shade.
और always just stretch your skin upwards. अगर आप लोग ने moisturize कर लिया skin, तो do it like this और अपने angles को इस type का बनाना ताकि आपको stretch मुँह लगे. Like मैं mostly हमेशा stretch look होता है मेरा like tight face.
It's in 41.
I always do.
So it's in the shade 41 and it's Musarat Misbah की silk foundation. It's really good. I'm just gonna cover like मैं पूरे face पे नहीं करती but जहाँ पे like I've got spots I just put foundation there. Like इधर है.
We have a mirror in front of us, so हम लोग वहाँ से ज़्यादा करें क्योंकि हम लोग को कोई idea नहीं होगा कि मेरे को कैसा लग रहा है.
And then the flash is going आँखों में तो it's.
मैं कैमरे से बिल्कुल हट चुकी हूँ. यार क्या हो गया? I know that is so.
That's what happens जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा efficient बनते हैं ना. अच्छा, the look if you see it's like very tanned look. Exactly. Like they've got sunburn. तो बहुत blush नहीं लगा. It's very like bronzed and.
Minimal look है वो.
It's not minimal. We won't say this minimal. This is minimal. It's very tanned and bronzed look. तो मैं blush थोड़ा कम लगाऊंगी because मैं usually बहुत ज़्यादा blush लगाती हूँ. Like I've got blush blindness, but here she has very like बस इतने part में she's got the blush वो बहुत हल्का सा with the bronze because it's giving the look of suntan. तो वही हम करने वाले हैं. Using my fingers way easier than using a brush. Like
exactly. मैं eyeshadow भी
and also blending with your fingertips is like way better because आपकी ना fingers में एक oil produce होता है तो वो blending easy हो जाती है. Yes.
Now we're gonna start with the eyebrow part. मैं हमेशा से eyebrows बनाती ताकि एक fine.
I did not get that. दूसरी eyebrow pencil एक ही है.
वो brush चाहिए मुझे eyebrow brush
लाना पड़ेगा.
Let's make the brow.
Anyways, I'm gonna go for a little brownish.
Guys, I'm just coming bringing that brush.
मैं हल्का सा इसको I'm gonna try to bronze my face like contour because she has got a very it's not a very chiseled face but it's very contoured. It's very contoured. तो मैं वो contouring वाला भी करूँगी.
I'm gonna use this brush. I know this pencil is too tiny, but मैं इसको brush के लिए use करूँगी.
मेरी आँखों में flash जा रही है and I cannot literally see anything.
Don't judge me क्योंकि इतनी flash पड़ी कि मैं I have no idea कि मेरा makeup कहाँ जा रहा है.
Now I'm gonna do the bronze and the contours because she has got very contoured face and I love that.
She has used
Pretty hair.
she's so pretty. दूसरे उसकी बहुत मोटी आईब्रो है और हम लोग की बहुत पतली पतली हैं, स्पेशली मेरी. तो I'm gonna make it a little thicker. और इसकी eyebrows like they are upward, so we're gonna make something like that.
And she has used that brownish सा blush. That's what I'm doing. Like मैंने अपने पहले normal pink blush लगाया, now I'm using the brown one क्योंकि वो फिर tanned look देगा. Guys, we also want to tell you that we are arranging an MUN, that's Jasmine, on 14th and 15th of February. So if you're interested in MUNs, do let us know. Tell us in the comment section or DM us on Instagram and we'll let you know the details.
अच्छा जी,
Yes.
ऐसा है क्या?
It's gonna be
Jazakallah.
Also, like we have got 7 committees, out of which they are like we have a
Jasmine,
special.
7 committees.
We have got one special committee which is ECLC,
अच्छा,
which
बताओ.
is European Football Club, right? It's one of the committees that it's a special committee that we have launched or we have started, and then we have PNA, we have got UN Women, we have got the MN thing. So uspe we have got 2 socials as well, and the registration is
बड़ी
for
बात माया होगी,
3,500.
माया होगी.
Yes. You can have meet and greet with me. So I have like
I'm done with the liner and I'm gonna go with this
I'm doing the
glitter wala part. The girl has done something na kone par.
हमारा vanity room is in process, तो जब वो बन जाएगा we are gonna do makeup vlogs वहाँ पे. But अभी it's in process, it's in process. There are certain days when I literally do not feel like doing makeup at all. Like अगर कभी होता है तो मैं बिना makeup के बिल्कुल like literally nothing on my face and I'll go out, like because makeup, it doesn't make you look pretty, it just makes you look fancy, and sometimes you do not want to look fancy. So yeah, that's pretty. And I think जो लोग होते हैं ना, you should tell the younger ones, like आप बड़े हैं तो चलो सही है, but the younger ones like my sisters, so Sarmita is बड़ी अब, लेकिन just mama, like I'm gonna tell her like अगर ये है कि if you want to do makeup, do it because you want to look fancy, not because you want to look prettier. If you're gonna tell them कि makeup looks you prettier, they'll be like क्या makeup के बिना नहीं जा सकते, because अगर आपने makeup put on नहीं किया हुआ होगा तो आप प्यारे नहीं लगेंगे, because that's not the thing at all, which makes your eyes look elongated.
I'm not sure कि कैसा हो रहा है मेकअप, क्योंकि मैं इस टाइप का मेकअप करती नहीं हूँ, मैं इतना बोल्ड नहीं करती. I always do bold makeup for the lips, but I never go with the brown वाला makeup. But here the scene is totally changed. बहुत ज़्यादा brown किया हुआ है इसने. लगाती है brown, मैं हमेशा से maroon and इस टाइप का कलर्स लगाती हूँ. So let's begin with the lipstick. I know this is too dark. My lip combo is like the lip pencil is too dark, right?
See, ऐसे dots लिए हैं. Now you're gonna make freckles from them.
Tell me कि difference नजर आ रहा है इस वाली आँख में और इस वाली आँख में, क्योंकि I've applied me mascara. मुझे लग रहा है. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this same move on the other eye. But dear की बच्ची लग रही हूँ.
Also, do not ever use waterproof mascaras because वो आपकी जो वो है lashes, वो मैं नहीं बोलूँ, मैं किसी को एडवाइस देती हूँ, मेरे ऊपर भारी पड़ जाती है. लाइनर मेरा खराब हो गया. Anyway, नहीं, अच्छा काम करने से कभी नहीं रुकना चाहिए. Anyways, do not use waterproof mascaras क्योंकि आपकी lashes जो है ना वो कड़क हो जाती हैं उससे. And then
you know what? आप लोग तो बताएंगे कमेंट्स में, अगर हम उससे पहले हम मम्मा को दिखाएंगे. अब मम्मा इज गोना बी द जज, जिस गोना टेल किसका करीब है. ऐसे थोड़ी ना छोड़ दूंगी, इतनी मेहनत की है मैंने. आप लोगों को मैं कैसे छोड़ दूं अकेले? डियर लग रही हूँ मैं. What the hell?
तुम डियर नहीं लग रही, बफेलो लग रही हो.
अब हम बनाएंगे अपने बाल.
मैं इस
I'm gonna use that brown color wala. Guys, I don't have that bandana, that color bandana, but I'm gonna use this.
जल्दी तुमने थोड़ा सा तो कंटूर कर लेती.
क्या कर लेती contour?
Now you look good. Now you look good. You definitely look good.
I want my ball to be straight, but emergency हो गई, ये नहीं हो सकते. So I am done, and this is what I am getting after doing everything. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है to become like that girl, but I don't think so. मैं वैसी लग रही हूँ. वैसे you have to tell in the comment section. And this is what I'm looking like. ये loops पहन लिए ताकि वो टच आ जाए थोड़े से, कि उससे भी टॉप्स पहने हुए, उससे थोड़े
इसके पॉइंट्स नहीं होंगे, इसके पॉइंट्स नहीं होंगे.
यार तुम जितना सिमिलर बना सकती हो खुद को बनाओ.
हमें उसको लुक रिक्रिएट नहीं करना था, उसको मेकअप रिक्रिएट करना था. वैसे
Okay, let me just show you guys once more. This is what I'm getting after doing every single thing. ऐसा कुछ मेरा लुक आ रहा है.
So this was the inspo.
Just see from the, ये मेरे freckles बड़े अच्छे बन गए. You can check it out. Let me just show you once again. This is what the inspo was, and this is how I'm looking.
So now guys, this is the look and this is how I look like.
Whoa.
Okay. मम्मा बताएं किसका लुक सुन ले बोले हैं.
ये तो करीब है ना. This is the inspo. This
ये
was
inspo
the
है.
inspo. ये देख ले. Inspo ये थी. Up now we have
जरमीन का
picture हो गया. अब
कैमरा बंद करो.
जीत गई हूँ. हारने वाले की शक्ल ऐसी होती है. हारने वाले की शक्ल ऐसी होती है. ऐसी होती है. ऐसी होती है. बाय बाय. अब बाय बाय कर दो. टेल मी देखिए कौन फाइनल विनर है. वैसे तो मैंने बता दिया, बट यू गाइस नीड टू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. सो बाय फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम. मैं बाय कर दो. बाय. This is so bad. कोई बात नहीं. Don't be offended, okay? Bye guys. Sisters on the go.